So there's a memorial ride on for someone named Gary. I didn't know him, but R.I.P. Gary. Listen to these kids. This guy crossed the centre line so many times just like this, I thought he was gonna die. Honestly.
I find myself alone when each day is through. Yes, I'll admit that I'm a fool for you. Because you're mine, I walk the line.
So the little plastic bracket on my GoPro must have fallen off about here. I think there was a crack in it for a while. Anyway, stayed recording the whole time. Fortunately, Joel behind me picked it up.
I don't think there was anything else.
Okay, new GoPro mount for me. Cheers, mate.
Was that all it was?
Yeah, that's all there was. Shit, bit of plastic's broken. Overtaking people is like the Force. Do or do not do. There is no try. If you're going to do it, you should be quick about it. Did anyone else see this ute weaving all over the place? I'm sure he was just about to go off the road for a moment there. Going to the cafe to have some lunch. Why is it raining now after I've taken my raincoat off? I had a raincoat on all morning when it wasn't raining. Now that I've taken it off, it's raining. Oh well. Anyway, that's all the highlights for this ride. Catch you next time.